Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Hannah. If you're new here, if you are, hit the subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, and happy Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving right now. My whole family's over. You can probably hear them all, but I figured I would vlog on Thanksgiving and Black Friday because it's going to be super fun. Alright, this is my cousin. It wasn't recording.
What do I hit? 30.
Nice. Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna make my sweet potato casserole. It's like 4 o'clock, so. Step 1 is peeling the potatoes. My mom got literally ginormous ones. They're the size of my head. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna cut the potatoes and put them in boiling water so they get mushy. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna make up and get ready. Hey guys, so it's a lot later, it's like 6. I just finished getting ready. This is from Urban Outfitters, this is from, what is she doing? I'm not sure honestly. Just some jewelry, makeup, and yeah, I think we're eating soon because it's like 6 something, so. It's fine.
For every other dinner, I guess I do it once. But I still would
Yeah, exactly. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It's Black Friday, so I'm with AJ and Tati. and we're about to go to the outlet mall to go shopping. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. I don't know. There might be